Read here with a quick update. Avocado. Update, I'm doing a little picking. And a man coming to pick tomorrow, so I'm picking for myself today. But this is how far the reach. And I picked from it already, about 4 times already. The guy come 1 time and I pick about 2 times. Sell, give away. Yeah. And this is just a video to show you before I clean the tree and then say, oh my god, I ain't get to take a picture. This is one here. This is the bucket I picked so far. Yeah. Yeah, so that is all I picked for now. Yeah. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Yeah, more videos coming. Yeah. So stay updated. Stay tuned.